Hi guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Hi guys, kain tayo guys. Ito yun guys. Pwede na siyang guys, pang diet. May apple. Ano ito guys? Scramble egg. Ang aking egg guys, ang niluto ko guys yung yung tawag nito, cream. Butter pala guys. Butter guys. May palaman guys. Anong tawag nito guys? Palaman guys. Pero pwede mo ng guys, papakin. Oo, papakin. Tapos guys, pwede na siya pang jeta. May hotdog, cheese hotdog guys. Ano guys? Pure Foods. Sarap ang Pure Foods guys. Kain tayo. Nice. Diba guys? May apple. Ito guys, scramble egg. Diba? Scramble egg guys. Yummy guys. Subuan ko kayo guys. You like? Yummy. Yummy ang aking scramble egg guys. Kain tayo guys. Na? Sarap guys. Diba guys? Tsaka guys, meron na siyang apple. Diba? Pang jita talaga ito guys. Ang aking recipe. Scramble egg with hotdog and apple. See? You see guys? Kain tayo guys. Harap, tamis yung apple guys. Tamis. Yummy guys. Ang ating scramble egg. Nga? Yummy. Hala pa ako guys. Lunch. Ito na yung lunch ko guys. Ba guys? Yummy. Wala na tayong music guys. I-share ko guys, hindi na ako mag-music. Voice na natin guys. Kasi guys, na-copyright ako guys. Copyright guys ako sa guys, sa music. Kaya hindi na ako mag-music guys. Sariling boses na lang guys. Diba guys? Kain tayo guys. Ang aking scramble egg. Nilagyan ko ng black pepper at saka onions. At saka magic guys. Oo, nilagyan ko ng magic. Sarap. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Follow for me. Yummy. Bye-bye. Thank you to all people for supporting me. Bye.